sisters, and Mum's lived here, her parents lived here, Nana's parents lived here.
We live here.
Yeah, Dad's parents lived here. Jack started school last year in grade 1, and he's the 5th generation of us, our family, to go to Landsborough State School.
Well, Dad went to work at 15 or 16 at the railway. He put his age up to get a job.
There you go.
And he went to school here, so it would have been in the early 1900s. Mum left school when she was 13, and she worked at the railway refreshment rooms and then the post office on the exchange. She worked down there all through war with the troop trains coming through and all of that, but she was still just a bit of a kid, really.
Mum and Tuppy pinched the railway, what did they call it, the railway trolley?
Oh, the trolley for the baggage, off the train.
And because Dad was a porter on the railway, they went over and they snuck it and they pinched the railway bell and they dragged it all round town ringing that the war had finished. And that was their big thing. And old Granny went, she's leaning out the window telling them to be quiet. We don't
She
want
wanted to get to sleep.
She wanted to get to sleep. Round the town they went ringing it. I could see them doing it too.
Mm.
That's loud. That would have really woken Landsborough up, hey?
Well, our grandfather would have rung that quite a bit.